Well, howdy there, pluckers. With hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a song from Lindsey Buckingham, ex of the Fleetwood Mac fame, and another one of his little acoustic guitar gems called Go Insane. This is a very abridged version, okay, but what you heard there is basically what's in the song and mix and match bits and pieces, okay. So if you enjoyed that little ditty, nice little exercise for you, please join me and I'll break it down for you soon.